How do you make employee onboarding consistent, structured, and stress-free? Most companies still rely on scattered checklists, emails, and manual coordination. For HR and other teams, that means consistent follow-ups, unclear ownership, and tasks slipping through the cracks. New hires face delays and missing access, creating a shaky first impression. And as companies grow, this manual approach simply can't scale. Employee onboarding needs a predictable workflow automation system that keeps every task owned, tracked, and completed on time. With Journeys in Freshservice, you can streamline key employee moments in just a few clicks. Its intuitive, flexible interface lets you build workflows tailored to your organization, define phases for each stage, trigger automated actions for different departments, and set up approvals, forms, asset allocation, and account provisioning in a single flow. Track real-time progress across journeys so nothing gets missed. With Journeys, teams spend less time coordinating, work more efficiently, and keep communication clear for new hires. Employees walk in on day one fully prepared, feeling welcomed and valued. Want to deliver a flawless onboarding experience every time? See how Freshservice Journeys automates the entire process end to end.